Okay, so there was a few scholars that reached out to me, a little confused on how this basically happened, the 16 over 8. So let me go ahead and start. Actually going to bring in this part here first, and actually I'll start over here so I can have a little more room. So I'm going to just copy down that second step. It says y plus 2 equals negative 1/8 x minus 9. Okay, so I'm going to go a little bit slower. Instead of putting two steps at the same time, I'm going to get this negative 1/8 and I'm going to distribute. When that happens, I get y plus 2 equals negative 1/8 x minus, actually negative times negative is a plus 9 over 8. Okay, I just multiply those fractions. Remember, 9 whole can also be written like this, and then 1 times 9 is, of course, 9, and 8 times 1, of course, is 8 on the bottom. Okay, so let me just fix this 8 a little bit. It's kind of bothering me. 1 over 8. Okay, so at this point now, I'm going to go ahead and minus 2 both sides. Minus 2 here. Okay, that goes away. Okay, and I'm realizing right now, actually, I should have been subtracting a 2 out instead of adding it out. But either way, let me show you how the conversion happened for the 16 over 8. So at this point, remember, it's 2 over 1, right? 2 whole, and because 8, 8, and 1 are not all the same number, I have to find a common denominator. Okay, so that's why I pulled this 2 over 1, right? I'm going to go ahead and this just negative 2 over 1, right? If I convert that into eighths, I would say, okay, well, I'll do around the world, and that's like this. What's 8 times 1? Well, it's 8. And then what's 8 times 2? Well, it's 16. And that's how I got 16 over 8. So this basically, this here would go away, and instead of 2 over 1, I would say minus 16 over 8 instead. Okay, then I would go ahead and combine like terms. 9 minus 16, 9 minus 16 would be 7. Okay, but 16 is more negative, or it's bigger, so we'll take the negative sign. So lastly, I'm just going to go right up here and do my final answer. I should get y equals negative 11 over 8. I'm sorry, negative 1 over 8. I don't know why I said 11. 1 over 8 x. And then 9 minus 16 is negative 7 over 8. And this actually should have been the correct response. Okay?